Hi, this video is a how-to, a basic how-to of how to start the sound system, how to start the lights, and Patrick is going to just run through some simple tips that'll help you if you're here in the auditorium and you need to turn on the sound and light system.
All right, to start off, you're going to turn on the board. There's a little switch back here. Just push and click it on. And then you're going to go over here to this touch panel. Just press the screen one time and then type in the password, hit enter, and then your soundboard is on. And then you just have to wait.
What's the password?
Password is 1234. And then if you select PC FOH right here, that will give you audio from the computer. All right. So for
tell us about this took a long time. What's typical for this thing to ramp up?
Typical, I'd say anywhere from 1 minute to 1 to 3 minutes to turn on and initialize. But first thing you'll want to do is once it's all connected, you'll go here to scenes, and then you'll use the wheel and scroll down to whichever one you're going to. So if you're looking for just a default mix, you'll go down to ITS, and then you'll press recall. And then that'll put all the sliders to a basic setting.
Patrick, show me what button you were turning.
This one right here. And then it's a matter of turning the mics up or down. So on the ITS setting, you've got your iPod over here, and then you have wireless 7 and wireless 8, and then your computer source from over here on the touch screen. So whatever is selected here will be this will be the volume for it, the PGR-MR.
So at this point, what does it do? What have we just done? Does everything work?
As it sits right now, you'll have audio for the computer, as well as you'll be able to use 2 microphones, 2 wireless mics, and the iPod if you need to. To plug in your iPod, we have a cable right here. It should be sitting right next to your touch panel. You'll just plug that in, and it's labeled 6167. That is your iPod channel. For a CD player, over here on this left channel, left bank, you're going to go down to layer C, and then your CD, it's labeled CD. And down here, this will be your volume slider for the CD. And then the CD player is right over here in this top rack. The lower is your CD player. The top one is your DVD player. Just turn it on, you'll place your CD in, select what track, and hit play. For the screen, to get the screen to drop and the projector to turn on, you'll come back to your touch screen. You'll go down to Utilities, Projector on, and Screen down. And that will drop the screen and turn the projector on.
warm-up time? The projector doesn't just come on, right? Tell us.
Right. Projector takes roughly 30 seconds to turn on. You'll get a countdown timer up on the screen when it's powering up or warming up. Then, yeah, I think it's about 30 seconds, and you'll get that screen up. And then to go back on the touch panel, you'll press return, and that'll get you back to the home screen. Whatever's selected here under program source is what's going to show up on the projector.
And how many different program sources are there? Tell us.
There are 7 different sources. You have a stage left, stage right, you have the sound booth, you also have your DVD player, the PC up at the front of house, you also have a VGA front of house, which is this cable. You have video and audio, as well as HDMI front of house, which is hanging back here somewhere. I would have to find it.
Okay.
But we can patch that in. For lights, for general lighting, you'll come to this touch panel, press it twice. You've got a lock, unlock. If you lock it, the light switch by the doors out front, it will disable them, so people don't accidentally turn them off on you. A general setting is General 1, there's no stage lights. General 2 will give you some stage lights, front and back of the curtain. General 3, it's no stage lights. The house lights are dimmer. 4, it's same but a little darker, and then you have off. And then you generally have your different sources for lights. You have general presets, events, theater, and music. For music is where I tend to save most of them. Right now the most common is Music 9, which gives you some house and full stage lighting, and Music 8, which is stage lighting is the same, but it brings the house lights down.
Is there a particular lighting scheme you use when the projector's on?
It depends on if they're going to be using the stage and the projector. Right now we have it set. You go to home to get back to the main page, go to theater, and it's theater 12. Which brings the stage lights down a little and pulls the lights off the screen. And then if you're showing a video, you can just turn the lights off. That'll turn all the lighting in here down.
Point to off again.
Okay.
Okay.
And then you can go back home and pick whichever of the 2 you want after your show or before, and just press the button and the lights will come back up. Well, one is they have trouble with is the computer not coming up on here. The power button on this screen is around the back. It's this little toggle switch back here. You just press it in. And the computer itself is right down here, with this being the power switch.
If I get stuck and no one showed up and I got to do something, can I hit 3 buttons and get by? What's the easiest, fastest, simplest way to at least make this place functional?
Like everything's off and just need to get it going?
Yep. Yeah, nobody's here, damn it.
Whenever you come in, you'll come right over here, turn the board itself on, back here around the corner, and you'll go over to this screen, tap it once, then you'll get to your password, 1, 2, 3, 4, enter, and if you're using PC, make sure to press PC, FOH, and then you've got about a 3-minute wait for the system to come up. And you'll want to make sure you turn your screen on back around the corner, right here. Just press that in once, you'll hear it click. And on the microphones, on the base, you've got a red button. You push and hold the red button, your screen will come on, and then your mic is good to go. And at that point, your mic is live.
Okay.
And then to turn off, you push and hold the red button again, and the mic is off. To shut down properly, you will go to the soundboard, you go to Utility, press that, and you'll go up here to Power Down and Power Down Surface. And it says it is now safe to turn off your iLive, which is the soundboard itself. And you go back here in the corner.
Hang on. Hey, let me show you what I got back there.
Yeah, right back here. It's right around the corner. And then you'll go to the touch screen here on the side.
Trade me.
Okay. And you'll go down here to System Off and click Yes to continue. Which also turns off the projector and puts the screen up.